Hello everyone, my name is Kennedy. So let us continue with our Metasploit framework series, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download Metasploitable 2 and install Metasploitable 2 on your virtual box. So the first thing I'm going to do is come to my browser here and type Metasploitable 2, and when the page loads, I'm going to access the Metasploitable file on the first link, sourceforge.net. Then I'm just going to download the latest version. Straightforward. Just click on download latest version and give it some seconds to start downloading. As you can see, you are being told your download will start shortly. So that's the download history. But because I had already downloaded it, so I'm not going to download it again. So let me just stop it and go to my file here on the downloads files. So these are the two files. This is the zipped file and this unzipped file. So let me just delete this file first of all, and I'll show you how I unzip it. So this is the file you downloaded from the sourceforge.net. Then just right click and unzip it. Okay, now let me give it some minutes to finish unzipping, and let us minimize that window. We don't need it anymore. So when the unzipping of the file is continuing, the Metasploitable 2 machine is the one you're going to use in the next videos to try and hack, because you cannot hack a machine which you don't have any authority. That's why we have to download and install Metasploitable 2. So the unzipped file is almost complete. Let me go to my downloads folder. So as you can see, we have a folder here called Metasploitable 2. So this one I don't need it anymore. I can just delete this file. Then let me open this one. So this is the file I'm interested in, the virtual machine disk format. So come to my machine, the VirtualBox machine, then create new and give it a name like Metasploitable 2. You can give it any name you want. You can give it your name like John, Maina, Njoroge, or you can just type it VM, but let me just keep it simple as Metasploitable 2, and the operating system is Linux and the package is Debian. Then click on finish. Now after that, let us go to our settings. You can just go to machine settings, or you can just click here and go to settings. So the first thing is to specify the base memory, and this is just a hacking machine. You don't give it much memory. Let me just give it 1 GB. It's enough for it. 1024, and go to the storage, and here on the controller SATA, click this Metasploitable 2.pdi. At the corner here we have a disk. Click on choose create virtual hard disk and come to add. Then click on add. Now go to our PC, then go to downloads, Metasploitable 2, then this file here, just select it and open and choose it. Okay, good. Now the remaining step is to start our VM. Simple as that, no big deal. Download, install, configure, and start hacking. So let us wait for the VM to power up. Let us give it some time. Good. As you can see, starting virtual machine, the Metasploitable 2 is now starting to boot up. Wonderful. So we'll use this to do our penetration testing. We'll hack into this Metasploitable 2. That's fantastic. Good. Now the Metasploitable 2 is up, and now we're being given an input field. So the login credential is msf admin as the username, and the password is msf admin login. So let us type here if config so that you can see its IP address, and the IP address is 10.0.2.15, the inet address 10.0.2.15. So let us try to ping this VM using our Linux machine. So let us open our Linux machine. Now just log in to Linux machine and even try to ping that VM. Now after logging into the Linux machine, let me give it some seconds to load. Yes, here we go. Now let us launch the terminal by clicking this icon here, and this terminal is where we are going to type our commands that we can ping that Metasploitable 2 VM. So let us type here ping 10.0.2.15. Good. We have some bytes being received back, which means our VM, which is Metasploitable 2, is responding to our connection. So in the next videos, we'll look on how to hack this Metasploitable 2 machine. That's it for today and for this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, like, and share. Bye.